You want to know what the best kind of income is? It's a residual income. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I want to share my thoughts on why I feel that residual income is the shit. Now, somebody who's been involved with affiliate marketing for well over 15 years, I've seen a lot of types of programs and compensation plans and commission rates and all of this stuff. But there's one thing that I always look for, and one thing that I truly love, and it's affiliate programs where you earn a residual income. That means whenever you sell something one time, right, you're going to get paid off of that for the life of the customer. A great example of this is like email autoresponders, right? Those are very good residual income opportunities for marketers, because when most people get involved and they get an autoresponder, if they like that autoresponder and they're serious about their business, they're going to keep that autoresponder. They're going to keep that program as long as they're using it and they're active. They'll keep that for years and years and years. And in a lot of cases, you're going to get paid every month that person uses that opportunity. Now, some services might have a yearly thing, but that's all good because you'll get paid every year from that customer, right? Now, you don't just have to be in the, make money online or marketing space to earn residual incomes. There are residual income affiliate programs damn near in every niche, right? There's like gambling sites that has like a recurring income to it. There are, dating sites. There are fitness membership sites, and the list goes on and on. And when people ask me about affiliate marketing, I always tell people to try to find affiliate programs that have some sort of residual income element to it. So say, for example, you're an affiliate and you get $10 a month, right? For every person that you bring into whatever the service is, whatever it is, right? So just say, for example, you grind, you go hard, right? And, 2 years later, you got 300 people. You sold 300 memberships or whatever it is, right? Just think about that. So you're going to be getting $3,000 a month, right? Give or take. Some people might quit or drop out, whatever. But just say on average, you're going to have $3,000 a month, right? Now, because it's residual, let's just say your ass decide, you know what, I'm done. I'm done with this whole marketing game. I'm out the game. I don't even care no more. I don't want to be on YouTube. I ain't on Facebook, Twitter. I'm just done, right? Guess what? You can do that because you still going to be getting that $3,000 a month, and you ain't doing nothing no more. You're not marketing no more. You're not advertising. None of that. You done, right? Don't you see the power of residual income? Like, tell me that's not the ideal situation for most people. That is when you want to talk about passive income. That's passive income. You know what I'm saying? Now, I love affiliate marketing overall. Ain't nothing wrong with getting a nice one-time commission, right? Ain't nothing wrong with that at all, right? I mean, it feels good to see that commission come in. But when you are promoting something, where you just get that one-off commission, a lot of times if you decide to stop promoting that, yeah, you still can, generate some commissions from content and stuff you put out in the past, but eventually it's probably going to slow down if you don't keep promoting that product. With residual income, once you get that customer, that money can keep coming in for years and years to come. So I'm sure you see now the power of building residual income streams. Now, if you want to check out one of the easiest residual income streams to build, you need to check out the first link in the description of this video right now.